Everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about tourniquets. Before we get into that, remind everybody, if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below. Ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I post one of these educational videos. And please give me a thumbs up. It helps me out with YouTube's analytics. All right. Okay, so tourniquets. I know I just talked about first aid training 3 or 4 days ago. But tourniquets are back on the Red Cross training and the American Medical Association training. All right. So you got to know what type of tourniquets to use. There are a bunch of them. Some are wider, some are thinner. There's a lot of choices out there. Some are pieces of junk, and some are really good. Generally, think of it this way. You're going to get what you pay for. Also, don't use the really thin stuff like cordage or rope or something to do a tourniquet. That's going to cause a lot of damage. And where the person with a proper tourniquet, like one of the Cat 7s, you save the limb. If you use rope or something, the person may wind up losing the limb anyways. All right? So get some proper tourniquet training and get proper tourniquets for your first aid kits. All right. That's it. Simple, short. Do it right. Please do it right. All right. I don't want to lose any of you. All right. With that, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish or you're going to wind up needing a tourniquet. And keep on prepping. Keep on building your supplies. Keep on building your skills. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.